Hello everyone, this is Shariar again. Thank you so much for the last video's response. I know it helped a lot of people, so that motivated me to make this another one. So, what we are doing in this video is that I shot these images about almost 2 years ago, and obviously there are times when you reach at the property at the night time or in the evening, so you might notice that there is this issue that you want the view outside the windows to be clear, as well as you want the interior to be fully lit up. I followed the same method that I usually do. So here we are. I took these photographs in Dubai Marina, multiple exposures. So I made 4 different exposures of this place. The first one was dark, second was darker, so that I get all the details outside, and then rest of the 3 shots were for the room itself. Let's just try with this first image. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is I will edit this whole image separately and take this one, or either this one picture alone, and this one. I will be taking these 2 photographs to the Photoshop, and then I will cut the windows out. So that is the reason I am not doing the alignment now. I will do that later. So let's just quickly get into it. The very first essential tool that you have to look for is the dropper. You take the dropper, you know that this is definitely white, so yes, you get very neutral colors of the room now. Turning a bit down the highlights, shadows up. I'm holding down my option key, and okay, this is too much, can't go that high on the whites. Okay, turn down the highlights again, darts up. Okay, what else do we need here? I just need to straighten this up, and let us just go and increase a bit contrast. Okay, yes, the image looks fine. So one thing I am concerned about in this image is this shadow. So I've taken this brush tool, I am moving it over in this shadow, and then I am raising the exposure a bit so that it blends, so it's not a hard shadow anymore. Taking this back. Okay, this can be brightened up to your liking, whatever you want to do. I'll just invert this from here. Okay, this is also done. I'm going to saturation. I need to turn down the saturation of the sides. I will increase the saturation here. The best part in Lightroom is that you can come here in saturation, pick this up, and you can just go to the particular color you want to saturate or desaturate. For example, just to show you, if I rise this up, it is making blues more blue. It is making it more saturated actually. Alright. So I am done here fixing this image. There's nothing I want to do more in this image for now, so I am just going to this one. Alright, so the settings I'm changing here is for the outside. Contrast a bit. Saturation, yes. This is too much. Highlights down. Darks up. Okay, so I can see the Ferris wheel clearly and the Miras Island, which is known as Blue Waters. I am just exporting these 2 shots on its full
maximum settings, export, desktop, yes, no watermark, no resizing, 100% quality. Okay, let's see. Let's just quickly take them to the Photoshop. There we are. So I am just dropping this one here. So let's just get started. I'll be cutting out the windows. I'll be using the pen tool here. Very simple. I've just selected the pen tool. Okay. Just having a look for once that how much do I need to cut out. Okay, so I'll be doing this. Okay, all right, let's just get started. I am not taking it edge to edge from the white. I'm leaving a bit there for the rubber on the window so that it looks natural. No rocket science, simple clicking, make selection, right click, make selection, feather radius 0 and hit delete. After deleting this, what do we get here? Okay, fair enough. Let's see, let's just quickly get on to the second window.
Alright, so what you're seeing is that I'm forwarding this part because I'm sure you're aware how to use this pen tool. If you're not aware, not familiar with this tool, so there's another video about it. You can find it in my videos. Just to save your time, I've speeded up the process of cutting the windows out. So here what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out the windows so that we can get the view outside from the layer which is underneath.
Taking the slider filter, raising the exposure a bit, radial filter on the windows, increasing the saturation. I'm happy with the way it looks now, with the clear view outside. And yes, I left a bit of the reflection, to make it look real. I'm keeping it real. Okay, so this is the saturation, and let's do a bit clarity outside. What do you guys think? Top, here it is. So this is the final image. And this was the original. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this makes any difference to your lives. And I hope this video solves this mystery of achieving the view outside when the view is not compromised by the reflection inside the room and the room is also lit up. Hope you guys enjoy this one.